Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a stay-at-home mom to a beautiful baby girl who just turned 1 year old. So what we're doing here today is actually an after party clean. If you didn't catch last week's video, I'll go ahead and link it up above, but we threw her a winter wonderland party here at the house and everything came out beautiful. So it looks nothing like what it looks like right now. So if you want to go and watch that, I'll link it up above and you can watch it after this video. But basically what we're doing here tonight, and this video does run into the nighttime, so I guess it's like an after dark clean as well, is we're going to be doing a total reset because my house was a wreck after this party. So here I'm just starting off with clearing off the table that I had, like the little mini buffet, and then all her gifts that everybody got her were also laid out on the table. So I went ahead and put those away and we're gonna get to cleaning. Guys, stick around because it's so satisfying. I literally did such a deep clean and it was so relaxing to just sit down and watch TV, turn on the fireplace, turn on the Christmas lights, and just relax after the whole house was nice and clean.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from.
So now, y'all, you're gonna see me take all the little confetti snowflakes off the table and even vacuum the table, because this tablecloth was not a disposable one. These are the linen tablecloths that I had from my wedding, and I have a bunch of them. And I wanted to keep this one and wash it, which is why I was doing all this before actually taking off the tablecloth. But I ended up throwing it away and sacrificing one of them. It's okay, I have a bunch of them from my wedding, but basically when I was popping the balloons, some of the balloons had confetti in it and it just got really overwhelming for me. So I just decided to just dump everything on the table and then wrap it up and throw it out all together. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, that's a waste of money, but guys, I had a ton of them from my wedding and I got them for a really good deal. So really maybe like a couple of dollars. I really threw away, so don't get at me for that. It just became really overwhelming and you will see it. So now I'm just gonna wash dishes. I wanted to clear off the tables first before I popped any balloons or took away the decor. And if you're wondering where the little trees are and all that stuff, my mom and my husband's mom ended up taking those for their house. So that's what happened with that. But everything else that's still up, I wanted to clear the sink, clear the counters, and then work on just like cleaning everything. I had this whole plan, so it worked out. And guys, I apologize if you can hear a bit of an echo. I'm not doing the voiceover in the usual room that I do because it's not available right now. So I'm in one of the empty rooms in my house. You guys know I just moved in, so it is completely empty, no furniture, and that creates kind of an echo. So just bear with me today.
How is that even possible?
You guys, Christmas is 4 days away. Let me know down below what you guys are doing. I'm so excited. I absolutely love Christmas, and I love it even more because my daughter was born in December, so it just brings me happy memories. And just let me know down below what your plans are. Are you hosting, or are you going over to a family member's house or a friend's house? I hosted for Thanksgiving, and then I hosted this party a couple days after. And I just don't know if I'm up for hosting. There's been talk of us hosting again, and my husband wants to host again, but he's not the one who has to set up everything and cook and clean after. So I'm just like, I don't know if I should, if it's worth it to, you know, spend family time, or do I just take a day off and either go to a family member's house or just spend Christmas with just me, my husband, and my daughter, intimate little thing. I don't know. I love family, but I need rest. So let me know down below. Should I just suck it up and host for Christmas, or should I do something different and have a little intimate thing with my family or go to somebody else's house for a change. Now I'm just popping these balloons from the balloon garland, and there was like over 90 balloons, guys, and this is what I was talking about. Some of the balloons had this snowflake confetti within them, and I tried my best to avoid popping them, but some of them popped anyways and fell all over the floor and all over the table. So that's when I decided to just put everything on the table, wrap it up, and dump it. And then I'm just gonna be taking down this bar, this foldable bar that came in a whole kit for the balloon garland, along with these rings that I'm gonna take off of all these balloons there, guys. This kit was the easiest balloon garland kit that I've ever worked with. It's just a bar and then rings where you attach the balloons to, slide it in the bar, attach it to your folding table, and that is it. It's linked in the previous video. I'll try to link it down below. If I forget, somebody just let me know and I'll pin it. But yeah, if you're interested in that, go check it out because it's definitely such an easy thing to do. And now I'm just sweeping up all this confetti, and I think it's safe to say that I'm never going to decorate a party with anything that has to do with confetti again, because there was literally so much confetti, and I think I had nightmares of confetti after cleaning all this.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. The light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby,
now I'm just putting away all my party supplies that I've gathered, my balloon pump, the garland kit, the chair covers, all of that. I'm gonna put it in a bag so my husband can go ahead and put it in the garage for whenever I need it again. And then I'm gonna vacuum the entire space and mop as well. And I left my dining table where it's at for right now, and the chairs, so that I can get a really, really good deep clean, because I don't usually get to get everything because the table's in the way. So I left it like that for the time being, and to mop everything and vacuum everything really, really good. And then after my daughter went to sleep, I went ahead and did the living room because she was there playing with all her birthday gifts and all the toys, the singing toys that drive me crazy. And we got her a ball pit and there was balls all over. So yeah, I just let her enjoy that. And then when she went to sleep is when I tackled the living room. So I'm gonna try to not talk as much as I've been talking so you guys could just enjoy the transformation.
give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me got lost and we parted. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you?
So now my husband's just gonna help me put the dining table back. It is so heavy, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put back all the Christmas decor, my runner and my garland and my candlesticks that I took off for the sake of the party. And then we're gonna go ahead and clean the living room after. Well, really, we went ahead, ate, put the baby to sleep, and then I cleaned the living room. But yeah, you guys will see me cleaning the living room after. But guys, I just wanted to mention that next week's video is gonna be going back to the whole furnishing and decorating of this new house, and we are going to be doing a console table. I don't know if that's the right way to say console, guys. People, I said this in my last video, but somebody made fun of the way I said something one time, and they were really mean about it in my comments. I have an accent. I don't say things right all the time, so I just like to plug that in if I'm not sure if I'm saying the right word. I mean the word the right way. So yeah, we're doing a console table in the upstairs hallway, and I posted a bunch of looks on my Instagram and had people vote on what look was their favorite, and it is saved under my highlights under new house. So if you haven't got a chance to vote, go ahead and vote, because I'm still in the midst of deciding what I want to do. So go ahead and cast your vote there so that I can really see. So far it's between look 2 and look 5. Those are the 2 looks that have gotten the most votes. And again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, head over to my Instagram at josie.williams96 to put in a vote for which look is your favorite. I already got the console table and the mirror, so those are not optional, but all the decor is arranged in different ways. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean up the living room. And that is going to be it for today's video. We're just picking up all her toys. She had so many, and if you can see her ball pit there in the corner as well. She had balls all over the place. But yeah, I'm just picking up my living room. And then I'm also, if you guys are going to see, I'm leaving this this cream throw, which I don't usually do, on the couch, because we got a stain on it, guys, and I was devastated. So until we get the Bissell upholstery cleaner that I want to get, I am not taking any chances to get any more stains on this couch, so I'm just covering it. But yeah, after we go ahead and clean, vacuum, I'm just going to be showing you guys the satisfying before and after shots, and that's it. So thank you guys so much if you stayed this far into the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button because it helps me a ton. Love you guys. Bye.
You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?